So basically what we have here is Sleepy Mogwgs taking up my bed. I gave him that bit. This guy, I gave him the cushion and the Pikachu. He likes the Pikachu. He was like eating him a minute ago. He keeps licking himself like thoroughly. Come on. This guy's just completely like blacked out, look. He's like knocked out and I felt him dreaming a minute ago. He was twitching and going a bit mental. This guy here, have your Pikachu. Damn it. He actually likes the Pikachu. Eat it. Have it. No. Here's your Pikachu. Pikachu. Yes. He was nuzzling it a minute ago before I started the video. But this guy's just conk.